Hello, this video will cover how to reinforce concepts with free LinkedIn Learning videos featuring industry experts. I'm Briana Randall, and I'm the director of the Career and Internship Center on the UW Seattle campus. I'm passionate about helping students develop the skills, experiences, and relationships they'll need to be successful after graduation. That is why I brought LinkedIn Learning to campus and serve as our admin. LinkedIn Learning is an online, on-demand video learning platform with over 16,000 courses taught by industry experts and professionally produced. Major content areas include business, technology, creative, career development, wellness, DEI, and soft skills such as communication. Courses are typically 30 to 90 minutes in length, and they're made up of 2 to 3 minute videos, which are essentially chapters. LinkedIn Learning is mobile friendly, downloadable, and free, courtesy of the Student Tech Fee. LinkedIn Learning can enhance student learning by reinforcing concepts from a different perspective, using videos to engage different learning styles, and showing how course concepts can be important in real life situations. Many UW faculty on all 3 campuses are already using LinkedIn Learning with students. Sample disciplines include philosophy, engineering, business, cybersecurity, environmental studies, global health, health informatics, and technical communication. Faculty typically use LinkedIn Learning for one of these 3 reasons, in one of these 3 ways. Recommending students watch LinkedIn Learning courses prior to a course beginning to brush up on skills, suggesting LinkedIn Learning courses to supplement course instruction, and assigning LinkedIn Learning content directly in Canvas via an integration with Canvas. I've asked faculty who have used LinkedIn Learning to reflect, and here are a couple of questions and answers. Did your students seem to learn from LinkedIn Learning? The answer was, I thought the lesson topics complemented my course very well, and my students appreciated the opportunity to learn perspectives from the professional fields. And another question, would you recommend that other faculty use LinkedIn Learning? Every answer has been yes. And one example is I embedded these lessons in my Canvas course and students were able to access the lessons seamlessly. A couple of pieces of information to take note of is linkedinlearning.uw.edu is our access portal where you can get free access to LinkedIn Learning. And my email address is brianakr@uw.edu. What I'd like to do now is show you that link. There will be lots of interesting information about LinkedIn Learning on our landing page. At the bottom, there is a section for faculty. And at the top, this big purple button will help you get to LinkedIn Learning. Once there, how I typically search for content is to use the search box and type a keyword, and then use filters to narrow down. For example, I can narrow down to beginner level, and I could narrow down to courses rather than just those 2 or 3 minute videos. I could also click on all filters, and for this example, I could click on a specific software that I wanted to focus on. When you click into a course, it will start automatically and it will show you the different chapter videos. Some of them have quizzes built in. You can see the transcript. It's a very engaging interface. You can also save courses to your learner library to go back and view them in more depth later. So again, the landing page will take you here, and the link to get there is linkedinlearning.uw.edu. You are welcome to email me directly at brianakr@uw.edu. And I will be presenting at the Symposium, so we can talk more there as well. Thank you for listening and have a good day.